Go. Go, Megan. You're almost there. Wait, Ashley. Wait your turn. Oh, you're not going to go down on your tummy this time? Yay, Megan. Oh, here comes Ashley. Are you going down? Say, no, I'm just going to stand right here. Megan, you got to go around. Uh-oh. You coming down?